cannot see. Gimme. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Mommy.
Who's that? Kai. Okay. Wow, lucky that. Okay, love, go sit down if you like.
Tomorrow we're
Yeah.
gonna go home.
Yeah, we're going home. We're going back to Cebu.
Tired. Who's there?
We're going up.
It's too fast.
No, it was us.
I'm so slow.
Because if you go fast, we're gonna get into accident.
Maybe they're run up there.
Familiar. Okay, look at Tita Ayan.
Oh, I know. That's your phone. Which one? You drop it. Your iPad? Yeah. You put the TV up and break that and there fly. No, this is the glitch. Hey, yo, how you did that? You put it at the tree first. Wait. I know. We make something. There's some redstone. That means that's safe.